Hey guys, so today we are going to be unboxing the Spyderco Kapara. Now this is not going to be an in-depth review or anything of that type of nature. It's just going to be a quick way for you guys at home to get a better look at one of these. So this was made in their Taichung, Taiwan This was made in the Taichung, Taiwan factory, and this is actually my first knife from them. All the other Spydercos that I have are all made in the USA, and I am very much a fan of American-made products. But this is like I'm trying to find like a. Sorry, let's check out the point. Okay. Like I'm trying to find a flaw on it. Like, yeah, this is this is pretty much perfect. I mean, wow. And the ergonomics of this are just, I almost want some jimping right there, but it's not that big of a deal. Oh my goodness, this is just very flat down there too. That's interesting. So they compare this knife, they call it the Spyderco 940, and you can probably see why. Now, granted, the blade stock thickness is going to be much more stout in this than it is to that. This is a slicer, but anyways, this is turning into like a long review, and that's not the purpose of this video. So yeah, if you're on the fence about one of these, or I guess anything from Taichung, Taiwan for that matter, I say do it, because I'm fairly certain that this is going to be replacing this, at least for the time being. So thanks for watching, guys.